The textile sector is undergoing a major revolution. With increasing demand for new and creative solutions for automation, greater control, and digitization, the industry is feeling the need for new and advanced technology solutions. Are you looking for an efficient way to better manage and monitor your knitting machines? Meet iBabui. It's an IoT solution for knitting machines, designed to help you stay on top of your operations by counting up and down time and sending automated notifications to workers. With iBabui, you can track when machines are used, the number of cycles they complete, and other important metrics. In addition, you can receive notifications when machines encounter problems, meaning you can quickly respond and take corrective action. iBabui helps you to increase productivity by allowing you to better manage and monitor your knitting machines. In addition, iBabui is easy to install and use, meaning you don't need to be a tech expert to take advantage of its features. Project iBabui has numerous dashboards which can be accessible from anywhere, any device real-time. Its initial focus is textile industry, though it is equally applicable for any industry like sewing, printing, steel mills, heavy industry, etc. In old machines there are no dashboards, or if they have, they are not accessible from web. iBabui solution will help you to overcome this problem. You can see your knitting machine status from anywhere in the world. Project iBabui uses a combination of cloud-based servers and wireless sensors to monitor the machinery. The sensors track over 1,000 parameters like temperature, vibration, and pressure, and transmit the data to the cloud for analysis. Using advanced algorithms, the system is able to detect potential problems and trigger an alert, allowing you to schedule a repair before it becomes an issue. Until now, textiles used to rely on regular inspections and repairs to ensure that the machinery was running as expected. But thanks to advances in predictive maintenance, it's now possible to be more proactive about repairs. By using sensors to monitor machinery, you can detect small issues before they become big problems. Project iBabui makes this process easy and efficient, reducing the need for expensive repairs and helping you save money. Project iBabui is the perfect solution for any textile business looking to save money and increase efficiency. Offering a unique combination of IoT-enabled sensors and cloud-based analysis, it's the perfect tool for ensuring that your machines are always running as expected. It's time to take the future of the textile industry into your own hands. Try Project iBabui today and take the first step towards better results. As Project iBabui's hardware, firmware and the software is solely developed in Efficient ERP Lab, we can customize it quickly and easily for any industry. Through its API, any legacy ERP solution can be integrated with Project iBabui. To know more, contact us today or visit our website at efficienterp.com/iBabui.